This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Marion Sherrod. What are you waiting for to see this home? This renovated two-story home has an open floor plan on the first floor displaying a beautiful kitchen and first floor primary bedroom with a full bath. The large kitchen has granite countertops, gray cabinets, stainless steel appliances and a pantry. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and a beautiful full bath. Outside there is a large backyard which is a great place for relaxing and entertaining. This home is located just minutes away from the interstate and close to many restaurants for your eating enjoyment. The storage shed conveys as is. Don't let this pass you by. For more information, review the details below or contact Marion Sherrod at 757-638-5700.